It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and Catherine, and we are here at the buffet at Treasure Island. Except it's not a buffet anymore, it's now a sports bar. It's called the Golden Circle, so let's see what there is to eat. This is the menu. Of course, it's sports bar food. It's nachos and chicken wings and quesadillas and fries. And they have main entrees as well. Burgers, fish tacos, and loco mocos. They have a traditional loco moco, which is the Hawaiian dish of white rice, a hamburger patty, and gravy with a fried egg on top. And they've also got a Cajun moco, which adds some shrimp etouffee. So I'm excited to try this menu, but I do miss the buffet.
I know.
I mean, the Treasure Island buffet here was one of the better buffets, one of the more affordable buffets. They revamped it about a year before they ultimately closed it forever. And I kind of prefer the original version. But
so do I. We talk about it still. They had a protein bowl section where you could build your own protein bowl. Yeah. And it was the only place I'd ever seen that, and I really liked that.
Yeah, it was good food. So
it was.
Hopefully this is good food too. So what are you thinking to get? I'm thinking maybe we should start with nachos.
Oh, absolutely.
They got the basis loaded nachos, either chicken or beef. I'm thinking chicken because I'm going to be getting this loco moco that even if it has shrimp, but it also has a burger.
Yeah, and I'm getting the ham and cheese. I think that's a good idea, chicken.
I hope it's a burger. I hope it's not a shrimp burger. I hope it's not a veggie burger.
I feel like it would say that.
Certainly not at a sports bar.
No. The Angry Croque Monsieur sounds really good to me. I know that sounds like not the most bar food of bar food, but it stands out.
It's like a ham and cheese sandwich.
It is. Okay, well, at a sports bar, you know you're going to have drinks, and they have a lot of different drinks here. You have some cocktails that are $14 each. They're called designated hitters, ranging from Golden Margarita, Mule Kick, Jersey Chaser Mojito, Playmaker, something called the Full Court Press, which sounds fun, Icing the Puck, Free Agent, which is a great name. The heater, and behind the stick, you can even get like some bourbon or whiskey.
Hi. Yeah, so could we order some food? Could we get the nachos with chicken?
And I'll have the Angry Croque Monsieur, please. Yes.
And I wanted to try the Cajun moco.
Can I get you guys something to drink real quick as well?
I think just water.
We have water right now. I might get something, but let's start with water, please.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, I don't drink, so I'm just getting water. I mean, I do drink like Coke and Sprite, but you enjoy yourself a cocktail or a beer from time to time.
I do. Really like the idea of the Power Play lemonade with bourbon, beef puree, and triple sec. That sounds really good. They all sound great. You want some bourbon, whiskey, or rye? They have that too. Of course, they have some beers and some things on tap. And if you would like some wine or some hard seltzer, up here they have that as well.
So this space it's not just a sports bar, it's the sports book. You can place bets in the far corner over there. You can kind of see this used to be the buffet space. It's a huge space right now for the sports bar, but you can also place your bets. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Great, thank you.
very much.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
Yeah, there's a lot of like appetizers that seem really good, easy to share. Like,
Yeah.
You have your fries. I love a giant pretzel. Who doesn't love a giant pretzel?
We do like a giant pretzel.
We do. We have quesadillas. We even have a dozen wings for $16.95. You can get them lemon pepper dry rub or buffalo sauce. That's always good.
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty decent price, maybe. Dozen wings, $16.95.
We were talking about how we don't order wings that much.
No, we
Chicken
don't.
wings, they're kind of troublesome to eat. I guess some people consider them fun to eat.
They do, yeah.
Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about wings. Are they fun or just a bunch of trouble? There's also drink specials. The one that looks the most intriguing to me, the Sunday, Monday, Thursday night football all you can drink. Kick off to Fun a Whistle, $60. You know what that means? All you can drink Sprite.
Okay, nachos.
Delicious nacho.
Okay. Okay,
Oh,
great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. The Loco Moco, the Croque Monsieur, and the nachos. All right, let's try these nachos.
All right.
These look pretty good. We
Yeah.
got some sour cream and jalapenos, cheese, beans, and the salsas. We have red and green salsa
And chicken.
and chicken.
Yeah. These are the bases loaded nachos here.
That's right, bases loaded nachos. $17.95, I believe. $16.95 with the pulled chicken. $17.95 with the ground beef. Oh, that's good.
I love nachos. Oh my gosh. Nice crunch. I'm gonna try to get a piece of the pulled chicken. Did you try the chicken?
Just got it. It's so good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a really big piece of chicken here. I'll just put on top of my chip.
It's like juicy chicken. I'm surprised.
It is.
Thought it'd be all dried up.
No, it's really moist.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You can really taste the flavor. It doesn't taste like it's been sitting out in the heat lamp.
And this is your croque monsieur, the angry croque monsieur. This is also $16.95. And it looks like it comes with fries.
Yeah, it doesn't say on the menu that it comes with fries,
Yeah.
but it does, so that's nice.
Yeah, bonus fries.
Bonus fries.
And this is my Cajun Moco. It's a Loco Moco with shrimp etouffee. And it's $18.95. So yeah, I could use a spoon to eat this with, maybe a knife, and you definitely could use a knife to cut into this.
Right,
so,
I definitely
so let's see
need
if we
one.
can get a knife before we start to eat these. In the meantime, we still have nachos.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. Have a spoon, knife, napkins.
Good. And napkins. All right, you want to cut in that angry croque monsieur?
Sure. Okay, this is a ham, mushrooms, spinach, and Swiss cheese fondue served open-faced on jalapeno bread. Okay. Just give it apart here.
Look at that.
Look at that. Lots of layers. There's a lot going on here.
Let me cut into my Loco Moco here. You can see the burger patty. There's all that white rice. Perfect. There's the burger, and the egg, and the onions. And the shrimp. Little shrimps. Right here.
This is an open-faced sandwich, so you definitely have to use a knife and fork with it. Can't really pick it up with your hands.
And I think a spoon is appropriate for the rice bowl essentially here.
Okay.
All right, let's try it.
Let's try it.
This does taste like Cajun food.
It does?
Yeah,
How's the flavor?
it's good. It doesn't taste Hawaiian at all, which normally a Loco Moco is like so Hawaiian.
Right. Usually like the
How's
gravy.
that? Is that like so French?
It's not so French. I'm trying to get the angry part. It's the jalapeno bread that gives it the angry name. I do get a little bit of heat, so okay, it's there after a couple of bites. It is there. So you just
There's a little bit of heat in this as well.
is there.
Surprisingly, yeah, quite a bit actually.
Okay.
Can I try it?
Yeah, of course.
Try this one. Oh, those onions, those fried onions are great. They're sweet.
Thank you. Now, a traditional croque monsieur has Gruyere. This is using a Swiss cheese fondue. That's what they described it as.
It is kind of fondue-like in a way. It's kind of like you can see when you cut into it. It's like very like, you see that, creamy.
It's very creamy.
All right,
Try
here
yours.
we go.
Oh, you haven't cut into your egg yet.
Oh yeah, my egg. That's right. It's good, right?
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one, if you like creamy, cheesy, French, hammy sandwiches, yeah, it's good. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah. I'm used to them being like not open faced, so it's a lot of like topping. It's good, and then it's really tasty. And you do get a little bit of heat from the jalapeno, but it's not too hot. It's not overbearing.
Yeah.
This is so funny because it's a Loco Moco, but it doesn't taste anything like a Loco Moco. Like with the,
Yeah, it doesn't taste anything like a Loco Moco,
No.
but I really like it.
Yeah, there's no brown gravy, but it's really good.
I'll give you this one back.
Okay, trade.
I gotta break into the egg.
That's right.
Ooh, there it is. There's the egg. All right. I wouldn't call this bar food really, but it's good. Like this would be a good lunch
Yeah.
for sure.
And you can come here for lunch. It opens at noon. Yeah, this is a croque monsieur is definitely not something I would see at any sports bar.
Yeah, I'm happy they have this though because there's only so much nachos and chicken wings and chicken tenders and giant pretzels that you can eat. This is actually a very filling Loco Moco, even though it doesn't taste anything like a Loco Moco. And yours looks pretty filling too, with all
It
that
is really filling.
bread and cheese
Yeah,
and ham.
it's really filling. I'm just getting to the second half now.
And the nachos, of course, always filling. So this is a lot to eat for two people for lunch. The Loco Moco, Croque Monsieur, and the nachos. It's about $50 for all of this food. And when the buffet was here at Treasure Island, the seafood night was $35.45 per person for seafood nights. And I think this is an even better deal. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think about the Golden Circle Sports Bar at Treasure Island, Las Vegas. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.